This is the top of my street. This is the old turnaround. There's the bay. Out there somewhere. And then, we were walking across the street. There's the bay again. It's pretty nice. Edgar's over there. You know, he's got the orange jacket on. And, there's more ships. There's a weird, crazy thing, though. It's this hawk sort of thing that, I don't know. Huh.
But today,
It's the strangest things you see here on Staten Island.
What is him? What is him? But I feel my one friend that is coming to me.
You do me a favor? Thanks. I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. That's
Oh
a pain.
man, I was laughing hysterical.
Oh, is he eating?
It's a pigeon.
He's got a pigeon, huh?
Yeah, he has a pigeon.
Wow.
Hey. It's a hawk.
Eating lunch. Wow.
How you doing? How's it going? That's a hawk up there?
Yeah. Looks like a hawk.
It's a hawk. It's having lunch.
What is that?
Looks like a hawk.
Hawk?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
That's hawk?
Same. Somebody say that. People say that. And yeah, I don't know. People say it's a hawk. He's eating a pigeon.
On the bird.
The only one I know is he's eating a pigeon.
He's a pig.
Yeah.
Take it easy.
Okay. Wow. Yeah, it's a hawk.